Your wedding day marks the beginning of a new chapter in your love story. It's a day filled with joy, excitement, and the promise of a lifetime together. As you embark on this beautiful journey, you deserve to look and feel your absolute best. This guide is tailored to help you achieve that radiant bridal glow, both inside and out. This is more than just a checklist of beauty tips. It's about embracing a holistic approach to well-being. Over the next few sections, we'll explore simple yet powerful ways to nourish your body, mind, and soul. Remember, true beauty radiates from within. By prioritizing your health and happiness, you'll exude a natural glow that will make your wedding day even more unforgettable. Let's begin this exciting journey to radiant. A healthy diet is the foundation of radiant skin, boundless energy, and overall well-being. As you prepare for your big day, it's essential to focus on what you put into your body. The right foods can make a world of difference in how you look and feel. It's not about crash dieting or deprivation. Instead, it's about making mindful choices that nourish your body and soul. Remember, a happy bride is a beautiful bride. Focus on incorporating a variety of wholesome foods that make you feel amazing. Think of your diet as a way to celebrate your body and all it does for you. Hydration is key. Aim to drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily to flush out toxins and keep your skin plump and hydrated. Water is your best friend when it comes to achieving that bridal glow. Embrace a balanced diet, rich in lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, fruits, and vegetables. Each meal should be a colorful array of nutrients that fuel your body and keep you energized. Think grilled chicken salads, colorful stir-fries, and hearty lentil soups. These meals are not only delicious but also packed with the nutrients your body needs to shine. Incorporate superfoods like avocado and salmon into your diet. These foods are powerhouses of nutrition and can significantly enhance your skin's health. Avocado is rich in healthy fats that nourish your skin, while salmon provides omega-3 fatty acids promoting a healthy glow. These nutrients are essential for maintaining a youthful and vibrant appearance. Don't forget detoxifying foods like leafy greens, lemon water, and green tea. These foods help to cleanse your system from within, giving you a natural radiant glow. These help to boost your metabolism and cleanse your system from within. By incorporating these foods into your daily routine, you'll be well on your way to looking and feeling your best on your wedding day. Remember, the journey to your bridal glow starts from within. Exercise isn't just about fitting into your dream dress. It's about boosting your energy levels, improving your mood, and feeling confident from within. Find an activity you genuinely enjoy, and it won't feel like a chore. Cardiovascular exercises like brisk walking, jogging, or dancing get your heart rate up and improve circulation. Strength training builds lean muscle mass, boosting your metabolism and sculpting your physique. Pilates and yoga are fantastic for improving posture, flexibility, and balance, leaving you feeling toned and graceful. Many brides-to-be find that joining bridal bootcamp classes provides an extra dose of motivation and camaraderie. These classes often combine cardio, strength training, and nutritional guidance tailored to help you achieve your fitness goals before the big day. In the whirlwind of wedding planning, sleep is often the first thing to be sacrificed. However, quality sleep is essential for a healthy glow, reduced stress levels, and overall well-being. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep each night. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine. This could include a warm bath, a good book, or calming music. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool for optimal sleep. Consider investing in blackout curtains or a white noise machine if needed. Remember, when you prioritize sleep, you're investing in your health, happiness, and that radiant bridal glow. Section 5. Stress-free planning. Keeping calm amidst the chaos. Wedding planning can be, well, overwhelming at times. It's easy to get caught up in seating charts, floral arrangements, and those endless to-do lists. Remember to prioritize your well-being amidst the chaos. Mindfulness practices like meditation or deep breathing exercises can work wonders in calming your mind and reducing stress. Regular exercise is a fantastic stress reliever. Physical activity releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects. And don't hesitate to schedule in some pampering sessions. A relaxing massage, a facial, or a day at the spa can work wonders in melting away stress and rejuvenating your body and mind. Section 6. The Bridal Beauty Countdown, Skincare Essentials. Healthy, radiant skin on your wedding day starts with a consistent skincare routine. Start early and be consistent to see the best results. Cleanse your face twice daily, morning and night, to remove makeup, dirt, and impurities. Exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week to remove dead skin cells and reveal brighter, smoother skin. Moisturize daily to keep your skin hydrated and supple. Always wear sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher, even on cloudy days, to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Remember, healthy skin is a reflection of overall well-being. By nourishing your body from within and following a consistent skincare routine, you'll achieve a radiant complexion that shines through on your special day. Section 7. Radiant Skin from Within, a natural Ubtan recipe. In this segment, we will explore a time-honored beauty secret that has been cherished for centuries in Indian households. Ubtans are traditional Indian skincare rituals passed down through generations. These natural concoctions are known for their ability to enhance the skin's natural glow and maintain its health. This natural recipe uses simple ingredients to cleanse, exfoliate, and brighten your skin, leaving it soft, supple, and glowing. The beauty of this Ubtan lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons gram flour, besan, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon yogurt, 1 teaspoon honey, and rose water or milk to make a paste. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in nourishing your skin. The gram flour acts as a natural cleanser, while turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties. Yogurt provides moisture, honey adds a natural glow, and rose water or milk helps to form a smooth paste. Instructions: in a bowl, combine gram flour and turmeric powder. Add yogurt and honey. Gradually add rose water or milk to form a smooth paste. Make sure the consistency is just right, not too thick or too runny. The paste should be smooth and easy to apply. This ensures that it spreads evenly on your skin, covering all areas effectively. Apply the paste evenly to your face and neck. Be gentle and avoid the delicate eye area. This application process is almost meditative, allowing you to connect with your skincare routine. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes or until it dries. During this time, you can relax and let the natural ingredients work their magic on your skin. Gently massage your skin in circular motions to exfoliate. This helps to remove dead skin cells and improve blood circulation, giving your skin a healthy, radiant look. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Avoid rubbing your skin harshly. Patting helps to retain the moisture and keeps your skin soft. Use this Ubtan 1 to 2 times a week for best results. Regular use will help maintain your skin's natural glow and keep it healthy. Embrace this ancient beauty ritual and let your skin shine with natural radiance. Section 8. Achieving that bridal glow. Recommended skincare products. Every bride dreams of having that perfect, radiant glow on her wedding day. While natural remedies are fantastic, sometimes you need an extra boost from high-quality skincare products to achieve that flawless look. While natural remedies are fantastic, sometimes you need an extra boost from high-quality skincare products. These products can provide targeted treatments that natural remedies might not be able to offer. They can help address specific skin concerns and enhance your overall complexion. Here are some recommendations to enhance your bridal glow. First, let's talk about serums. Serums are concentrated formulas that deliver powerful ingredients directly into the skin. They are essential for any bridal skincare routine. Collagen-boosting serums. Look for serums containing ingredients like retinol, vitamin C, and peptides. These ingredients are known for their ability to stimulate collagen production, which is crucial for maintaining skin elasticity and firmness. These help to stimulate collagen production, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and promoting a youthful complexion. Regular use of these serums can result in smoother, firmer, and more radiant skin, perfect for your big day. Hydrating moisturizers. Opt for moisturizers with hyaluronic acid, ceramides, or shea butter. These ingredients are excellent for locking in moisture and keeping your skin hydrated throughout the day. These ingredients attract and retain moisture, keeping your skin plump, hydrated, and glowing. Hydrated skin not only looks healthier but also provides a better base for makeup application, ensuring your bridal makeup looks flawless. Brightening eye creams. The delicate skin around your eyes often shows signs of fatigue and stress. This area requires special attention to keep it looking fresh and youthful. Choose eye creams with caffeine, vitamin K, or light-reflecting particles to brighten dark circles and reduce puffiness. These ingredients can help to rejuvenate the eye area, making you look more awake and vibrant. Remember to consult with a dermatologist or skincare professional to determine the best products for your specific skin type and concerns. Personalized advice can make a significant difference in achieving the best results for your skin. With the right products and routine, you can ensure that your skin looks its absolute best on your wedding day. Section 9. Conclusion. Embrace your inner and outer radiance. As you prepare for your wedding day, remember that true beauty radiates from within. By prioritizing your health, happiness, and well-being, you'll exude a natural glow that will make you feel confident and radiant as you walk down the aisle. Embrace a holistic approach to bridal beauty, nourishing your body with wholesome foods, staying active, prioritizing sleep, managing stress, and indulging in a consistent skincare routine. This journey is about more than just looking your best, it's about feeling your best. It's about embracing this special time in your life and celebrating the love that you found. So, relax, enjoy the journey, and let your inner and outer radiance shine through on your wedding day.